What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Yang biriba mayambu kurumjari amadi thagachari. Aduga ngasigi video se SOMA Laishram gi yam post aba mana dating tonaba honai ba ko ma se single oipa jane ma se mana try to ne adu mayam do koi pulap yeng mi se ba ko
Tinder account hang do ya
mana swipe le no adu mayam reaction na ba
so ga match oi khaba
adu nang daw adu mayam reaction na ba vlog gumba chaba khot pagi adu lam koi ba yeng ning adi ekoi vlog channel ama le my dream life hai na adu link do description da piram age mayam please like ga subscribe to biramu aduga ngasi gi se matam mahan da bi khara sangi bo
kya sangi
10 minutes
10 minutes
mayam earphone do tak 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 thinja biramu aduga horsing ngasi gi
reaction
reaction
I style copy to isi mi
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Okay.
A lot of people, I mean my friends, fans, family members, in fact everyone of you have been asking me about my relationship status, whether I'm single or taken, am I dating a boyfriend, girlfriend. So since a lot of you have been asking me to start dating, so I thought I should try online dating. And for that, what is better than Tinder? Disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by Tinder.
Okay. Ekoi se sponsor na
not sponsored by
oh na
music ki
na ko hai do
So I have downloaded Tinder app on my phone.
Okay.
And I'm gonna create new account because I have never used Tinder before. This is gonna be my first time ever.
Congratulations.
And let's wait for the message. I think that is how it works.
Okay. Ito install to Tinder.
hey na 18 plus ho dito pa yan
Hana like to store ni. Okay.
acha
Arts ni
yung order daw tawadam niya ko jo
sa K-pop.
So it's been 30 minutes since I have downloaded this Tinder app.
net pag-ip
So let's check out if I have any matches or messages.
okay
I got new match again. So I've got 21 messages and 11 matches. So let's check out.
30 minutes, 21 minutes.
Ahem. Koi first, Johnny. Maming hayo kay debra.
Yes. Kaide.
Johnny. Dosi changa yang dero kay.
tanga yung fake daw naman siya
Johnny changa.
Yang sir.
Aduga.
Fake na
His
siya.
message is fake malida. Kay kumuga.
Oh, so mama, bagi fake ko.
Fake malida sa hanan changa ge. Johnny ki message changa ge. Aduga.
nang du fake ko yam nila
Nam Johnny ka mai tuba hayo.
Yes.
Kay jem.
lam jadi
Hagar.
may tawa
Aduga matagi message ang check daw si John Haye. Hello, hi.
may John
May profile dyan mo yan.
kasagi na John Johnny o sige na John ang
Not
mga
bad. He's 1 kilometer away.
Yeah.
Hello, hi.
John, ama siya J-O-N.
John acha
Okay, Johnny, hello kitang
ay si John Wick na hangis
W-E-A-K.
Churchill, hi. Yampong mamalikoy, Jingo.
Maya po daw is
Ahum mo upload daw eh po.
Sige, okay, Jingso din natin ko.
On my profile today and
Jingso.
he liked one of my
Jingo
my profile picture.
Jingso na.
Nungay ribo
Ngai ba?
and yampong mamalikoy.
Yang pong mamali
celebrity
po.
na kanyang pong batam
Yes.
Kaida.
Kaida pong Kochan mo.
So maasing baro sing the bro nga sa June. Kay Mange.
Sa
Ado I swipe some handsome looking guys. Girls. Beautiful girls.
Okay.
So I don't know. I've got one match.
Is no po ka sa.
And his
What's that?
name is Bulu. He likes me too. So I will send him a message first.
kunog daw
Ravi, send message. Blue the message tag and I will swipe other guys again. Is Ravi.
Just
like.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Kaino, Liberto. Kangbara sisa.
Udare, saying that.
Oi.
It looks good.
Focus to.
Focus on it.
Microphone to changa yenge.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm new here, so I could use. Let me read his bio.
Okay.
Liberto 26, and it's a verified account.
Okay.
Verified.
He wrote,
Account
hey,
ko man
I'm new
verified
here,
was
so I could use some help if you don't mind. If there's anything new, all your ears. I'm new to Liberto, and
Liberto Tinder.
what type of help do you want?
Tinder.
I will like this person. Oh, hi, Annie. Lucy. Who is she? She's gorgeous.
She's Lucy.
I like her. Kay tawag doon si Kang match ama sula match sila aga message tado ira mo ngonda. Hello.
Hello.
Sa message ma'am dong reject tawag ko kasi kana kay message la ki lege abulu sung reply hala ame hello hi. Amana jingo do sa kay mathel jage ay na nga si Java mathel ze u di.
Ah, noob message. Kani mathel sa akin han. Ate hanggang sa.
Nang di.
So na celebrity ka texter. Celebrity texter kani sa akin hanggang. Yong sunoy.
Sing da ba male hay Jones na.
Sing the
Kay ginno hangge.
Conversation sa tama ide mo je. Ay tambi ba tare.
Noob ngata.
Noob ngata.
Sila ka may date to, you know, why have a date?
Ano
Kaya
de?
sa
Kanino?
sa any app tayo, dro, like Facebook, Instagram. At may am sila isiti.
So Instagram de yai ba reply halloy ba.
Oi.
Ano de ba?
Message tawag ko.
Message to rek.
Are
Ano ba
you
conversation class
interested,
ba yan?
dear? Kay no. Because are you interested, dear? Kay interest naman hangin sa iko. Professional.
Mas di pura
Kay
direct.
student sarage.
Student sarage ka. Ado di fake mala ni.
Oh, nga saigi fake malida haiba nupa Johnny do may message layrame and hero na lamdradi achapot layraga yam thilagke. nang koi ichega dinaram akoy haine ko na akoy ichega dinaram ba college matamda. Oh.
Tinaram ba ni?
Sing bani.
College matamda.
Ay Mimi Singju Janine. Kay Haige? Pila
Oh, yang tweet ni acapot hilang betul.
I'll check out and come back.
Yang tweet ni acapot hilang betul hojik Europe.
5 minutes later.
So guys, how
Yeah.
to delivery though? It's from
Johnny,
okay.
Johnny ko orang.
Madhabi Handmade Natural Soap. Da bijong tangjam na
Masih di sponsor.
habirak pa ni. So,
Kanya dugo.
Kaya ba?
ubra.
Oi, kaya mo.
Ude,
Ubra.
ude.
Ude. Oh.
Kaya na si mo.
Zoom it.
Zubed.
Kanya dugo.
Okay, okay, so this is made from neem.
Sabon, sabon.
So,
This is from neem and turmeric. Thank you so much.
Ini nak ada man Brahmas.
sila yun eh. Of
Honestly.
course.
Season na gani.
Of course. Free, bro. Let's see yung music.
Lusa ba da season na do washroom na di campus ni season na di.
Put on.
Hindi mo matches.
Let's see,
Tayo
ano
may
talaga,
messages
no?
mayam
To.
sila.
Message,
Kaya
message
interesting
like.
word basta nga sa Johnny do magi kaya tayo text nga sa interest oy. Mara nga sa sapot lay biga sing mo sa mawar di hato in asing by name mo si Johnny ni iyo ko. Ado proof diye. Hekta samane thaza ga troy na. Proof se photo ka patha sira.
Sauce.
Yeah, bro, photo ka patha ba?
Yeah.
So Johnny,
Lucky
I si
boy.
Tinder daddy na wala proof piba ngam dre, but if you are watching this video,
Proof or
yes,
ito?
I'm ready. It's me, SOMA Laishram. Maduna nang mini sindu tilak tapos so yeah, record mo na hay.
Daw.
So guys, I think I will wind up here right now because this online dating thing is not for me. I hope you guys enjoyed my video today.
Nice.
And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel and share it to your friends.
Okay.
Until then, see you in my next video.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Mana hire ba ni na?
Manahang nyo na pa yun.
Hamra.
SOMA Laishram kaya na prasang na. Hi!
Ate.
Kaya na prasang na ulit.
Ate, mga sa hire ba to? Facebook da Instagram da di yada bra hire to.
Oi.
message thari yego reply tawra
try tawrake
Raizana
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯒ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯎꯕ ꯃꯥꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯔꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯏ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ
adudane real test mana osi video de yengdringe da message to thao aduda ma reply tawra yengri ko oh ma hi hi
ꯔꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯏ ꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯗꯤ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯟꯁꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦꯕ
Nate koi humang isip de yaura. Si monkey hunde message tharambe ka.
adu yauramandi adudin may tarni alright guys thank you so much for watching I hope you like the video nungaramadi please like namiramu aduga che somagi channel to subscribe to dribo or gonna subscribe to biramu aduga ekoi channel su subscribe to dribo or gonna please subscribe to biramu ekoi su 100k yona ko try to ri kana aduga vlog channel to subscribe to biramu adudi yamdri ba subscriber aduna 50k yona ko try to ri aduna
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯂꯩꯒꯦ
music say 25k
ꯌꯥꯏꯅꯦ
alright guys thank you so much for watching mathangi video ta amuka thengnar si till then imalaiba manipurna yai for way woo